Today we are starting with fractions. Yavuz, are you listening the lesson or playing with your phone?
Yes.
No, teacher, I'm listening.
Now,
Wait.
okay, open your notebooks and write fractions.
Page.
Page 53 in your books.
وياخذ.
Last year we studied fractions with you. Do you remember?
Yes.
Yes.
So here
Bismillah.
the first lesson is comparing fractions. What does it mean comparing?
Multiplication.
No, compare, to compare something.
Like, I don't know how to say it in...
Which they are equal.
For example, we are checking if they are equal, which one is greater, which one is smaller, comparing them. When you compare two people, how you say it? For example, Yavuz is
Yavuz is taller than Amar. Amar is taller than Yavuz.
Or taller, like that. It's comparing.
When you put both to the test, teacher, how do you say it?
Yeah,
I understand it, but
great. Thank you, Nagib. So comparing fractions, if they are equal, which one is greater, which one is smaller, and how we'll do these operations, we'll learn here. We have learned them last year, but we'll repeat them again. Okay. So here, some of the fractions are given, like 1 over 4, 2 over 3 over 12, 4 over 16. So all of them, they are the same fractions. They are equal to each other. Do you remember how we're doing it? For example, look here, it's given one example. 1 over 4. If I will multiply the denominator and the numerator with 3, I will get 3 over 12, yes?
Teacher, we multiply this all by 4.
Yeah, for example, here you are multiplying first one, 1 over 4. If I will multiply by 2, but you have to multiply the numerator and denominator at the same time, it will become 1 times 2, 2 over 4 times 2, 8. So as you see, 1 over 4 becomes 2 over 8. Or if I will multiply 1 over 4 by 3, both of them, it will become 3 over 12.
Teacher, we need to write this?
Yes, you need to write it.
Or by 4. 1 and 4 will become 4 over
yes, 1
16.
over 4. If I will multiply by 4, all the numerator and the denominator, it will become 4 over 16. So all of them, they are the same. They give the same value. Okay, they have the same value. Only the numerator and denominator changes. Okay, all of them are the same. 1 over 4, 2 over 8, 3 over 12, 4 over 16. They are the same fractions. Okay, Yavuz? I will come to Banyasa and take your phone from your...
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah,
so they are equivalent. We call them equivalent fractions. Equivalent. Okay, it means that they are equal. They are the same.
Yes.
So we are multiplying, as I said, we are multiplying the numerator and denominator. Numerator, which one is denominator? Which one is numerator? Which one is denominator, Yavuz?
Teacher, I think. Yes.
Numerator is up number, denominator is down.
Okay, so this one is numerator, this one is denominator. So you can write it, the first sentence, I mean the first one, while I'm taking the attendance, okay?
You can move it.
We need to write this.
Yes, you need to write it.
ونجي.
Mimar, what are you doing?
Yes.
For what you are talking now?
For Nagib said.
For Nagib, what Nagib? I didn't hear anything from Nagib. Yavuz?
Yes, teacher, here.
Here, writing, Yavuz, can I see that you have your pen? Look, like this. Bravo. And the others
More
also.
pianos.
Endrit couldn't come. I think he has internet problem. He has written to me. Anise? Here. Artin?
Here.
Here. Emir?
Here, teacher, here.
Here. Lina?
Here.
Selma?
Here.
Here.
Here, teacher.
Ammar? Where were you in the other lessons, Ammar?
Sure, my
He
internet.
was sleeping. My leg.
No, no.
Hana? Hana Kadriye?
Abbiamo Crangiali Ligna.
Are you
Lift up.
writing?
I'm finished.
Yes.
Writing?
Teacher, we have to write the first two sentences.
Yes, yes.
Hocam açmayayım geri kamerayı.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Hana Kadriye? Hana Kadriye is not. Hana Mustafi?
Here.
Here.
Eliza?
Here.
Cevdet?
Here.
Mimar?
Here, but teacher.
Here be Mimar. Hana Kadriye came now. Arben?
Here.
Arben here.
Here.
Nagib?
Uvra.
Here.
Here.
Sorry,
Mert?
late. I don't have internet in my house.
Okay. Agon?
Here.
Yes, Hannah, what you said?
Teacher, in my house, I don't have internet. It's so bad.
Di besti fa.
Aman yarabbay.
Oggi blocco internet, va.
Sorry for being late, teacher.
Nita kad bezotit.
Teacher, are you frozen or no?
Me?
Oh, teacher.
Yeah, because you were staying in the
Confused
same
or
place
whatever.
like this,
Yes.
and I thought you were frozen.
No, I'm not frozen.
Okay.
Quale frogs?
It's okay. Did you finish writing?
No, teacher. I'm at the end.
Yes, teacher, I finished.
No, teacher.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Hocam gördün hemen yaz.
Teacher.
So as you see here, in the first one that I showed you here, we are multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same time. We can do also division. We can divide. Okay? With the same number, the numerator and denominator. If it is divisible with the same number, you can divide, and this is called simplifying. We are getting a smaller number, so it means that it is simplifying. Okay?
Wait, teacher.
So
Teacher.
here, if you can see, we can do the simplification. Then if the numerator and denominator is not divisible with any other number, so it is called the simplest form or lowest terms. Okay?
Teacher.
Hi then, Mimar.
Can I ask a question?
Of course.
Teacher, when we will finish lesson 145 or 135?
We started 2:30, yes, 12:30.
Yes.
Yes.
This lesson will be till 1. Then 5 minutes break, and the other one will start again 30 minutes. Okay?
Teacher,
Be
can we not do
1:35.
break?
We cannot do
Oh, we need.
break because the Zoom doesn't give us that
Okay.
time. Okay? So I have to give 5 minutes break.
Why do we
Okay?
do these lessons longer today?
Because Thursday we couldn't do the lesson. There was
Just this lesson
just
we will do like this?
just this.
Okay. Right.
So please
Startmayı var demirey.
know that also we have simplest form. Did you understand what does mean simplest form?
Yes, one
Yes, yes.
Yes, when our fraction cannot be simplified more. You can get the smallest numerator and denominator and it cannot go more. So it is the simplest form, or we call them lowest terms. If you finish writing, I will show you a video.
I finished.
Teacher, I finished.
Show, I finish.
Hocam
Okay.
bir saniye.
Bir saniye geçti. Bana her seferinde bunu yaptırıyorsunuz ya bu espriyi.
Ama geçmedi onun üstünde videonun tam.
Can you hear it?
Yes, yes.
In a previous video, we learned all about factoring whole numbers. And now we're going to learn how factoring can help us when working with fractions. We're going to learn how to simplify fractions. Simplifying a fraction means rewriting the fraction using the smallest top and bottom numbers we can without changing the value of the fraction. To help us understand what simplifying a fraction really means, let's take a look at the simplest fraction I can think of, 1 over 2. Now, this is already as simple as it can possibly be, so let's go the other way and complicate it by dividing our rectangle here up into more parts. The amount of our rectangle that's shaded is still the same, but now the numbers for our fraction are 3 over 6. The numbers are bigger because our rectangle is now divided into more parts. The fraction we have now, 3 over 6, is equivalent to our original fraction, 1 over 2. That means they have the same value. They represent the same amount. So what if someone gives you the fraction 3 over 6, like 3/6 of a candy bar? Well, we know from our picture that that means they're really giving you 1/2. But how can we show that using math and not pictures? Well, that's where factoring comes in. Let's take our complicated fraction, 3 over 6, and factor both the top and bottom numbers. Now, the bottom number 6 can be factored into 2 times 3. The top number, 3, is a prime number. Its only factors are 1 and itself. So we can write that as 1 times 3. There, we've rewritten our fraction using factoring, and now it kind of looks like 2 fractions being multiplied together. 1 over 2 times 3 over 3. Of course, 3 over 3 is what I like to call a whole fraction, since its value is equal to 1. Now here's the interesting part. Since 3 over 3 equals 1, and multiplying by 1 has no effect on a number, we can just get rid of that 3 over 3. Basically, the 3 on the top and the 3 on the bottom cancel each other out. And once they're gone, we're left with the fraction 1 over 2. So that means that the fraction 3 over 6 simplifies to 1 over 2. Another way of thinking about it is that we're trying to find any whole.
Did you understand?
Yes.
What he
teacher.
wants to say? So here, as you see in
whole fractions.
this one here with the, look, this one, firstly, this is the same rectangle. And if you can see, this is the same rectangle. And what we were saying in fractions, if we have, let's say, rectangle,
Half?
dividing into 2 of it, we have 2 parts, and one of it is, let's say, colored, shaded. So 1 over 2. This
1 over.
part or colored part is showing us the 1 over 2. In the same rectangle, we're not changing the rectangle, only we are dividing into more parts, like this. So here it's the same rectangle, same part is colored, but now we have how many parts? How many small rectangles?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And 3 of them are colored.
But again, it gives the same value. Again, this fraction is 1 over 2. Again, it is half of the this rectangle. Okay, did you understand?
Yes.
What does it mean, equivalent
Yes.
fractions?
Yes, I understand.
He showed with the shapes and here with some different operations. Now we will solve this. Okay, I will not continue more with the video. If we need, we can check the other parts. And now let's see what we have here. We have the same denominator, so you can just compare the numerators to see which is the larger fraction. Now, example is written, but I want from you, is the book here, your book, some different examples. I will give, not this one, okay, we'll work for this in the other lesson. Now, I will give a fraction here. Let's say it is 5 over 15. Okay?
Okay.
And I want to write this one in its simplest form. Okay, this is an example. You can write in your notebook. It's not about this. Okay, don't write this title now. We're continuing from the other one that you have written. Okay?
Sure, this example we need to write.
Yes, but this one that I am writing, don't write.
Okay, okay.
Now, 5 over 15. What is the factors of 5, Yavuz?
What?
Factors
Factorate
of
past.
5.
Factors of 5?
Yes. We studied
Oh.
factors, yes?
1, 3, oh, 1, 5.
1 and
and
5 only. So I
Because
can write this
5
one
is prime number.
yes. So 1 times 5 will be this one. The factors of 15,
3 times 5.
we have 15. The factors of it is 1, 3,
3 and 5.
and
So we're
15.
going. So we're gonna type
250.
We can write 3 times 15, yes? Or 3 times 15, I'm saying 3 times 5. Why?
we're gonna
Here, to
cancel
get the
these
same number.
5s. We're gonna
And
cancel these 5s.
And what we are
it's 1
doing
over
here,
3.
let me explain what we are doing here. Because I have 5 here in numerator, 5 in denominator, I can
We're gonna
cancel
cancel that.
them. So they are
No,
canceling
it's-
each other.
Now
we have
it's
1 over
the
3.
the
1
answer
over
is
3
1 over
is
3.
left. Okay?
Yes.
Now write this one.
I write it.
I will give some more examples.
These
Sure.
math is fun.
Okay, write it now. Haydi.
I write it, teacher.
Bravo.
I write
Sure,
it,
3
teacher.
minutes we have break.
What, Mimar?
And 3 minutes we have break or we have break at 1.
7 minutes هو
How's
ميمار.
3 minutes versus Mimar?
7 minuter ميمار.
Oj, beste pas, nuk ish pushim.
Doğru hocam 5
In 2
istedi
minutes,
matematikten.
can I go? Because
Abi Emir, diver be Emir. What, Eliza?
in 2 minutes, can I go?
How many minutes?
In 2
No,
minutes.
teacher, because I need to go with my mom somewhere.
Okay, as I said, you can go if you're...
But the next, yes, teacher, she's going to inform
Okay.
teacher Nima, but the next lesson I won't enter.
Okay, okay. Another example, guys. I will give some fractions. Write these fractions. Write with me at the same time. Write these fractions in lowest terms.
Teacher, can you wait?
Okay.
Can you
We
wait?
write the
Teacher.
examples. Yes.
In exam,
Hmm.
what we will have? We will have this that we studied today.
And when is the exam?
When you
Yes.
have exam, I will inform you what you will have. Okay, Mimar?
Okay,
But
Teacher,
of
but
course, you
what
will
we
have
need
the
to-
topics that we have studied. Okay.
okay.
Very
We will have this topic.
On yardım, bravo.
Concentrate to solve the questions. Okay. I will inform you.
Okay.
28 over 42. And one more.
Teacher, we should do this now?
Yes. 36 over 63.
Edebilirim. Çok yaşlı bir pen kalıbıyım. Bir şeyleri bitti bu kadar.
All the
What do you have to do now, teacher?
What is written in the question? What I have written
Write
here?
these fractions in their lowest terms.
Yes, thank
Can
you,
you file?
Yavuz, for
Number
reading.
is low.
Because your
Number
friends,
that
I
is
think that they
little,
cannot read.
small, like 1, 2, small numbers.
Okay, do it. Do it. Haydi.
We have to do it like we.
Don't say anything and solve it. Only if you have a question, you can ask.
I have a question.
Yes, Mert, he was talking something. Yes, Mert?
Hocam abi bu şeyde 15'ni lazım yapalım. Biz nereden biliriz ne kadar lazım çarpalım biz onu?
You need to find the common one. You need to find the common factors that you will have a common factor like here. You need to find it. You need to think about it. Which one will be? Okay?
Tamam.
Can I ask now, Lucas?
Yes, Mimar?
Teacher, we have to do it, these examples,
Uh-huh.
like we did 5/15 and
Yes.
it comes.
Yes.
Okay, we
Uh-huh.
should talk like that.
But Mimar, I'm saying the same thing 100 times, but I don't know what's the problem.
Okay,
Annars
but det-
nici närhet att det här livet.
Yes,
Money.
yes, Jevdet, you were saying something.
We need to find the simplest.
Men mängder på internet.
Yes, you need to find the simplest form.
Okay.
Always one, I mean, you don't have to find one here to be the simplest form. It can be another number, okay?
It can be 2 or
It can
3.
be. Yes,
Can be everything.
everything can be.
Grammarly does more than catch errors.
Oh, teacher,
Grammarly
Yes,
can the number that is upstairs be higher than the lower one?
No.
Than the other one?
No.
no,
Okay.
because let me check the, no, because all the numerators are smaller than denominators, so it cannot be, okay?
Oh my
Did you do
bad.
Finish
something?
first one.
Did that? What did you do with A?
I did. I found the result over 3.
Factors, let's write here factors of 10, Jevdet. Can you tell me all the factors of 10 that we have?
1, 2,
1, 2,
5.
5, and 10. And factors of 15, we have written here, but let's write one more time here.
1, 2, 5, 15.
2,
No, 2, 3.
1, 3,
5.
and
7.
15. Yes?
Yes.
One is common here. Can you see?
The 5.
Is
5,
common.
teacher.
So I need
5.
to use 5. So what I will do, 2 times 5 is 10.
Yes.
And 3 times 5 is 15.
Yeah.
Now again, I have this common one, 5. I am simplifying the 5. And then the result is 2 over 3. And I cannot continue to simplify this one because there is no any common factor in 2 and 3. Yes?
Teacher,
They are prime numbers.
Yes. Yes, Abba?
why we are putting 5 there?
Because look,
Because I
I
don't
am.
understand.
Because it's common.
Amma.
Let me explain one more time to your friends.
Mari cut the cut full.
Let
Oh,
me
yeah.
explain to your friends. 10. Here I have 10. I am trying to find the factors of 10. It is 1, 2, 5, 10. These are the factors of 10. Yes, Agor?
Yes?
And the factors of 50, 1, 2, 5, 1, 3, 5, 15.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Which one is common? I'm trying to find common one to simplify it. Which one is common? 5 is common here and 5 is common in the 15. Yes, we have 5 in
Yeah.
both of them. So I'm trying to get here 10 with the number multiplying with a 5. So 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 5 is 15. And then because I have 5s here in both of them,
Teacher,
it can cancel each other and 2 over 3
teacher.
left.
Oh, Bamar, huh?
First lesson finished.
Okay, let's finish this lesson. Next lesson will continue, okay?
Bye, teacher.
Okay, goodbye.
Teacher,
5 minutes only, okay?
teacher.
Bye.
Hocam kaç dakika
Bye,
olay?
teacher.
5 minutes only break.
Okay.